Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and welcome back to flipping our first home in house flipper. So if you remember in the last part we got the kind of layout going, and in this part we're going to furnish the kitchen, living room and dining space. Obviously, because you've already read the title and seen the thumbnail, so you'd already know what's going to happen, but I just wanted to clarify, So without further ado, let's just jump into this. So we're in our game, we're in our little kind of living room, dining room, kitchen area. The windows are all clean. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mount the radiator on the wall, because that just seems like something I should do. So let's do the boring things first and get them out of the way. I was thinking of putting a door in, the glass door into the back, where the back door is, because I think that'd be like so nice when you walk in the front door to be immediately like greeted by all this light. And yeah, probably gonna do that because I like the idea of that. But what was I doing? I was getting a radiator. So let's search radiator. Fun times. And it's only €37. I mean, it's nothing radiators in real life cost that, but you know what? We're gonna have to deal with it, I suppose. Let me just put in the kitchen, because like we can just paint behind the kitchen then. So I just want to do this fun part first. I want to get rid of this door because we're putting in a glass door. I've already decided, and we'll probably pay for the glass door with that one. So we're basically getting a glass door for free. Well, we'll see when we put it in anyway, if we actually get it for free. And like you can only get it in the one color, so we're just gonna have to like go with that. Wow, look at that. Isn't that just like so much better? Like when you walk in, it's like you'll get way more light and it looks airier, and like the only thing that annoys me is these windows. Like, why are they up so high? I just don't understand that. Like they should be all like level, I think. Just in my mind, I feel like they should all be like the same height. But you know what, we're just gonna have to deal with it. Even if the door is a bit like higher, that'd be better. So let's get our kitchen. Okay, so what I don't want to do like anything traditional. I want to kind of keep it like a bit more clean lined, because I'm going to put this in the middle because I think this is so cool. Like, okay, so the fronts would keep it grey. Yeah. White. Oh, kind of tabletop. Yeah, we're going to keep it white. Yeah, let's see. Oh god, oh, it's so expensive. We can afford it, we can swing it, it's okay. Buy now. So this is gonna go like in the middle, like here underneath this window, I'm thinking. And if we don't like it, we can always just sell it again, It's not the end of the world. Let's just put it there for a second. See, I think that looks good, like that kind of zones off the kitchen area. Obviously, like it's gonna be moved over like a lot more, because otherwise nothing else would fit. So let's move that over a bit more. And I'm going to a launch event in like 3 days, I think it is. So it's Wednesday, it's Tuesday today. Wednesday, 2 days. So I want to get like all these kind of done and out the way, so I'm not like kind of stressed whilst I'm away. I can relax. So it means putting in a bit more work here at the minute, but you know what, I don't mind that because I enjoy doing this. It's like really relaxing for me, and it's fun. It gives me enjoyment. Like literally, I recorded the first part of this last night, and I was just so excited to get into it and play it again. Don't know why anymore, because I thought like the plan I had in my head would actually be able to be a real thing, like I could actually do it, but I can't. Look at this, now we have all in here painted and it's looking a lot better. So let me just go and dispose of these paint cans. Remove and remove, and we're going to put in the flooring. We're going to get the flooring all put in and looking so well. let me see. So we're gonna go to like obviously buy mode and get the flooring because that seems like important. Okay, flooring's done. Let's come out of there. It's looking good, I think. You know, it's not my best work, but I mean it's better than the one I done last time I played this for sure, because that one was just like we're not gonna go there. We're not even gonna talk about that one. Okay, so now I want to add in lights, and then we'll add in blinds, and then we'll add in like our seating areas. Maybe I'll add in my seating area first. Okay, so what do I want to do? Plaster. Okay guys, so as you can tell, it's a different day. It's about my outfit, and you know, because I'm telling you it's a different day. It's about a couple of days after I recorded that part you just seen. I went up to, I have a vlog coming up what I was up to, so get excited for that. Oh, it's probably up actually, it's up, so click the link up here, go watch it, it's a good one. But what we're doing now, we're back in this house, and the last part we had the kind of, well, in the part you just seen we put in the kitchen, whatever. So we're gonna go inside here, and we're just gonna show you what we've got so far. So I think I cut out before I put in the dining table because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to put in here. So I put in a dining table at least, and I found a table that fit and looked okay. Now these windows just really get my oh my god, I hate them so much. They're just so high up, like they just don't, like, if you're sitting there you'd be looking at it. Not gonna go there, not gonna go there. We've also added in this glass door, and I just think it looks like, you know, when you walk through, like you can see out to the garden. I just think it's nice, you know. And I would ideally like to move this table in one, that's like this door in one, but we can't, so we're just gonna have to deal with that being there. But what I wanted to do here was I wanted to build in a wall over here, just so like it lines up more, you know, perfectly. That's what I was going to do. So I have moved the kitchen over so I can do that. So that's what we'll do now. We'll put in the wall. I just want to put one like in the corner, like out to the edge of the sink. Yeah, does that not just look like way more like built in? And now I'd love to have the one on the other side, but the door is there and I can't, and you know, it's, we're just gonna have to deal with that, aren't we? See, I need something for over in that corner, but I just can't figure out what to do. I was gonna put two pictures, but I feel like that would just look weird, like just two pictures, like, you know, bucking into each other. Like, I'd love to have like maybe a tall plant, or ooh, a lamp, floor lamp. That's what we could do over there. Ooh, okay. I mean, does it really work? Not really. I'd love to put in like, you know, curtains, like two like long curtain panels there, but that just isn't an option in this game. Like, just they aren't there. But what am I supposed to do? We have to do work with what we got, I suppose. Like, and that's all we can do. That's all we can do. I might move this table out a bit more actually. You know, I'll probably end up changing this again, but you know, for now that's just that's just gonna be how it's gonna be, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna paint this little wall over here. Just want to get this wall painted and done. I think that adds a bit more detail, like an interest over there as well. It's not just so boring now. I'd love to add like, you know, a tall plant there in like the kind of kitchen island place. We'll see if we can do that. Like, I don't want this too tall obviously, but I'd like one that has like a skinny base and kind of blurs out. Chances we're gonna find that? Not very likely, but we will see. We'll see if we can get that. So nice if we get like, you know, some more kind of different varieties of blinds, like, you know, not just the ones that like have that look like, you know, they look very super, like they look very clinical. Like these white look like they're made out of like metal or something. Like, you know, the ones, the fabric ones would be nice if you had them as an option. And like that we had an option to like single panel curtains, so like it's not like, you know, a set of curtains, you can just have one curtain on its own. That'd be nice. And then like as well, it would be nice if you could like, you know, upholster and like, you know, recycle your items and like repaint over them, and they still have the texture of the item underneath. Like, you know, if you were to paint over a brick wall, they have the option to plaster it and then paint it, or just paint it and it has the like, you know, brick texture. I think that'd be cool because it adds kind of different layer, would add a different layer to the game, which would be nice. But you know what? Don't think we're gonna get that. Okay, now let me see, where do I want to go from here? Oh, what's on the floor? There's like a switch on the floor. Well, we're gonna have to get rid of that, aren't we? Move. Okay guys, I think this is like the kitchen like done. I mean, is it my best work? No. Definitely not. What's my favorite area? Probably the seating area over here, to be honest, because like I'm not a fan of the lights. I just think that the writing in this game is just so bad. Like you get some like cool little chairs like that one there. That cool little chair, right? Nice chair, like it's cool, it's interesting, it's, you know, it's nice, I'd use that. Then, you know, you have the nice kitchen cabinets, whatever, that's a nice kitchen cabinet, simple, you know, it's grand. Comes to the island, however, and it's just basic, you know. I don't really care about the kitchen. I mean, the kitchen's grand, like it's not that big of a deal. But the dining area, like it's actually disgusting, and I couldn't find anything remotely like nice for this area. Like I couldn't, like the tables, the only nice ones were like round and they were way too big. And then the windows, like the windows are just like you'd never find a window like that, like in real life, that are that high up. You can only see out the windows if you're standing up in this place. If you're sitting down, good luck. Like, and the fact that like the door is so low down and the window's so high up, it just looks so weird. Like, does that not look like real weird to the eye? Anyway, you know, we done our best. We done our best. Oh my god, let me remove the paint can. Goodness gracious. Let me just remove that or sell it. So that's our kitchen done. Woo! Yeah, we got our kitchen done. It's I'm not really happy, but I mean you get the idea of where I was going with this. Like my idea for the layout and everything. Like if I was, you know, if this is real life, it would look like so much better. All I care about is getting like a good flow in this space. That's what I'm going to do in this game, because I'm not going to worry about like making it look perfect, because it's not. Like, no matter how hard I try, it's just not going to look perfect, because just the furniture in this game and the options is just so like bad that it's just there's no point me trying to get it to look perfect, because it just won't, and I'll just be wasting my time. But yes guys, that's the kitchen dining room done. In the next part we're going to do like paint in like this alcove in here. Oh my god, where am I? And then we're going to decorate the bedroom and the bathroom. So we have all this to do in the next part, and then we'll sell it and see how much we can make. Like the bedroom will be easier, like it will. But anyway guys, that's it for this part. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know all your thoughts and everything down in the comments. Let me know also, do you play Ice Flipper? Like, do you think that I'm overreacting to like the limited selection of items in the game, or like do you agree with me? I'd love to know. But that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed. If you haven't seen the first part of this, it'll be linked up here, so you know, go over and check that out. And also I played it before, like last year, if you want to see that one again. But yeah, that's it for me. I've said it about like 10 times now. I really hope you enjoyed. Please, like, you know, don't forget to hit that subscribe button just before you leave, and also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.